welcome to a new episode. Today we're playing something different. Today we're playing Critical Annihilation. Now, although you guys probably be thinking, hey, what's Critical Annihilation? I'm going to tell you. Critical Annihilation is the sequel, or can't think of the word, the sequel to a game called Critical Mass, which I've never played. And I better turn this down just in case. I already got on here and started to play it, but we're going to start from the beginning. And I want to warn you that this game has the best soundtrack I've ever heard in a video game. So here we go. We start as this little guy with a gun, and then we got to kill the aliens. Okay. They're going to be coming out at any moment now. This game is on Steam. I believe it's $10 if you guys want to play it. Oh, I just figured out the jump button. So, and there's already aliens, so I am reloading. Okay, so this is something you guys might not know about me. I love dubstep. I'm a big fan of dubstep, actually. I know that dubstep is not a popular music around where I live. But tell me, comment down below if you like dubstep, and then leave a like for more games and stuff. Okay. So, no. I need to get a health pack soon. Speaking of the devil. And rocket launcher. Oh, there's more health. Okay. Boop. Also, if you guys want to see who makes this music, the guy's name is Shirk. I believe that his music is on the App Store. I'm not for sure. You can correct me about that in the comments below. But I'm pretty sure that the music he makes is on the App Store. Also, later, soon, I'm going to be recording Don't Starve Together, if you guys want to see that. Oh, that's a lot of things. Oh, shotgun. I love the shotgun. I'm doing pretty good. Oh, I need this health pack. Ah, that zombie just came out of nowhere. Ah, scorpions. Stop. Boom. Ha. I'm sorry if I'm getting really quiet. I'm getting in the zone, guys. It's like... Oh, health pack. Oh, I'm gonna die. Okay. This is not good. Get to the health pack. Okay. Just go back, please. Stop it. Please. God. I swear if this thing disappears right before you. Okay. We're good. Faster than I thought it would. I'm not the best at this game either. Okay. Here we go. I'm gonna play this last level, and I don't know. Depends on what the time is for this. So if you guys want to go over and see some good commentary and some good games to a different channel that is not mine, but you watch mine, check out New Maker Gaming. He's one of my friends. Me and him will be collabing in a new video sometime soon. So if you guys can go check him out and show him some love. Crap. You guys will want to go check him out. He's really good. He's actually been in some videos before, I believe. You guys might know him as Ethan, but I don't know. Oh. We didn't even make the leaderboard. Oops. Oh. I can't be stopped. Actually, I can't be stopped. Oh, wow. That was a stupid idea on my part. I'm gonna die horrifically. Oh my god. Okay. Wow. Okay. Restart. I love this game though. It's really good. Really well made. Okie dokie, where is aliens at? Somebody over here? I thought I saw something. Okay. Oh, there you are, buddy. Stop it. Stop it, aliens, please. What is... Oh, there's a turret. That's good. I'm doing better. Kill the turret. Kill the turret. Hopefully it'll take care of them. And hopefully I could get a freaking... Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Oh. Okay. Okay. Guys, I'm back. I'm sorry about the face cam and I'm sorry that it's gone. I don't know what happened, but for some reason it's gone and I don't know why. So we're just gonna go back to playing like it was. And pretend nothing happened. Cause nothing happened. Nothing did. And we're not gonna die this time either. We're gonna live. We are gonna live. And we're back in the ruins, as it says at the top of said screen. Where is... There is aliens. Don't shoot me, please. Oh, I'm dodging like a boss. Oh, yes. Oh, they wish they had skills like me. You wish you had skills like me. Oh, yeah. Oops. 750 though, wow. Excuse you, tree. You can get out of the way of my score. So I didn't do terrible, but I did die. So, you know, there's that. Well, I need to buy the soundtrack off of iTunes. Wow. Get turret. I wish there were more games like this. You know, shooters with just mad, like, thumping music. Got it. Stop killing me. The aliens are the really bad ones, and the zombies too. The scorpions are no problem. I can take them out with ease, but... Why is there no health packs? Wow, I'm getting mad. Oh my god, are they not gonna give me a health pack? Wow. Okay, I'm mad. I'm mad. Where's my score? Wow, that's good. That's pretty good. Okay, where is aliens at? Ah. Come on, die, please. Please, die. Please, please. Everything. I just want you to die. Or we could all just get along and be friends. That's another option, but I doubt that's gonna happen. Health pack. Oh my god! There's a health pack right there. Ah! That makes me mad. I'm just gonna pretend like that didn't happen. This is the first try. First try starting now. Okay, I'm sorry if I'm going quiet. It's hard to commentate, you know, do good at the same time. Oh, I got a shield. That's new, I haven't got that yet. Oh, another shield. And there's health. Wow, I'm getting everything this round. Why couldn't it be like that before? Dun, 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 dun. And I bet I'm still gonna die. Oh, shield, thank God. And a health pack. And a turret, wow! The critical annihilation gods have blessed us. Okay, I got my gun back. My automatic gun. Why did I waste that? I'm stupid. Whoa! I did it! Whoa! Yes! Wee! I love this game! Oh, hello, Rock. Oh, I bet the next level is gonna be terrible. Terrible! Hello? Oh, desert. I love desserts. Oh, can I destroy the tank? Yes. Ah, it's cactus. Hello, cactus. Oh, give me a second, cactus. I'll be back. What is this? Airstrike? I don't see an airstrike. Oh! Okay. This round I'm not getting... Oh, there's health packs. It would be cool if, like, if you accidentally walked into the cactus and took away some of your health. Why is this easier than last round? It should be harder. Compared to last round, this should be excruciatingly hard. I mean, I'm not doing great, but I'm not dead, so... And there's a health pack. I need that, like, right now. Okay, there we go. Oh, nuke, 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 boom! Get got. Oh my god, no, no. Shield ran out, shield ran out. Aerial strike. Don't die, die. I like to live, so if I could live longer, that'd be great. Oh, I just realized it's a new song. Oh yes, this is good. Was that it? I have a feeling that wasn't it. No, that was... Oh my god! What is this? This game cheats, this game cheats. I'm gonna die just because I'm a boss. I can't move! Why? Really? Okay. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.
Let me come again.